Did you know that you, yes, you person watching this video right now, that you are an unschooler? You are a human being that lives and learns without school. Now, I know that you probably haven't heard that term before, and that's okay. Just like this video and hit the plus button so you can learn more. When most people find out that my family and I are unschoolers, they normally hit me with a bunch of questions. And since you're an unschooler too, I figured I'd ask you some of the same questions that I typically get. And I'm curious to know how you would answer them. So comment below or stitch this with your answers. Question number 1, how do you know what you have to learn? How do you know what you need in your real life? I mean, you don't have a teacher, there's no curriculum telling you what you have to learn. So how do you know what are the things that you have to learn? There's millions of things to learn about and millions of ways to learn things. So how do you do this? And then question number 2, once you know what you need to learn, how do you actually do that? How do you learn stuff without a classroom and without a curriculum and without quizzes and textbooks and homework? Are you just out here in the world, learning stuff all on your own? And the last question that I have for you, which is the most important question, how on earth do you socialize? Do you have any friends? How do you make friends with people when you're not in a classroom all day, every day? How do you interact with human beings when you're not going to school? Those are the top 3 questions that I get as an unschooling mom, and I'm curious how you would answer those. So be sure to comment below or stitch this and tell me.